In this video, we will check out how to remove people from your photos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to become a part of our notification squad. First, open Photoshop. For this feature to work, you need to have Photoshop CC. That is the latest version of the Photoshop. This feature is only present in the latest versions, so if you're using the older version of CS6 or CS5, it's not going to work. Let's import an image. In this image you can see there are two people standing here, and now let's remove one of them. The first thing you need to do is, in the toolbar, select lasso tool. If you select lasso tool, just do an outline of that person that you want to remove. Just do a rough outline, and that is enough. After you finish doing that, it will get selected. Now right click on that selected person and choose fill. In fill, choose content aware. This is a feature that we need to remove person, something or objects from a photo. Now click OK, and that person is gone. And deselect it. Now let's remove this person from this photo. Let's do a rough sketch of that person. And right click on it and choose fill, and make sure it's on content aware, and click OK. And that person is gone too. Now this picture looks so much more cleaner. So that is how you do it. Hope you like this tutorial.